Hi, my name is Lee Waterhouse. I'm one of the co-lead teachers for the middle school. I teach humanities, so a combination of English and history. We have a 2-year cycle. This year is our Year B curriculum. Focuses on American history and American literature, really taking a deep dive into the sort of the real history and who founded the country and who was here first. So we use one of our texts as an Indigenous Peoples History of the United States for young people that really focuses on sort of the unheard voices of the various indigenous nations that were here. And then we also use a Young People's History of the United States that focuses a lot on the narrative of who is left out and who is underrepresented. So that's our history curriculum. For English, we've just finished The Outsiders. We're going to be looking at another book called In the Footsteps of Crazy Horse, which follows a young Sioux teenager as he follows the footsteps of the great Sioux leader Crazy Horse in the 1800s with his grandfather. And then for our Practical Life course, Practical Life is something that we do in the middle school here and other Montessori programs do as well, that looks at sort of the development, the social emotional development of teenagers and our young people. And this year we have revamped it a little bit, and we're focusing on this book is Anti-Racist by Tiffany Jewell. So it looks at adolescent development and identity. Who am I? What are the factors that influence who I am? And really takes a deep dive into the life of teenagers. So that's kind of a unique program for Montessori across the board, and specifically here at Cambridge Montessori.
Hi, my name is Blake Johnson, and I am the middle school math and science teacher. And this year, and every year, we actually start off every kid with Algebra 1, and with hope to get through it, but we really want to give a great foundation and really get those solid middle school skills and all those Algebra 1 skills ready so they can go to high school and be really successful. In science, that differs from each year. So this year we're really studying with physical science, matter and the different elements. And then we're going to go to life science and how we are built as humans. And then we're going to end the year with Earth, really studying the environment and the impact we've made as humans on the Earth.
My name is Katrine Peterson. I teach music electives in middle school and co-teach film school with our arts teacher, Evan Tingle.
Well, I really like the community. That's sort of my most favorite thing. I really like the people here. They're always supportive and willing to help, both the teachers and the students actually. The teachers will spend as much time as we need to help us figure out something we don't understand, or help us plan out things, or if we have too many assignments. And all the students here are just so nice and supportive, and it's sort of a really nice, helpful community for everyone.